Hello, my name is Daniel Gerlach. A warm welcome to you from the MIWE Live Baking Center. Today we will be preparing what has become probably the trendiest dish of the past several years, pulled pork. And for that we'll be using the MIWE Cube Steam. The MIWE Cube Steam is not only a classic oven, but it also satisfies all the gastronomic needs of every single baker. With this configuration, we have only one control unit, which can be used to operate both ovens separately. The advantage of this setup is that we can conveniently control everything from the same vantage point. The versatility of MIWE Cube Steam can be seen in the combination fitting frame. You can use both classic baker's trays as well as any GN container. For our pulled pork recipe, we will be using pork neck. We marinate it in a mixture of seasonings. The list of ingredients can be found in the provided gastro program. I spread the seasoning evenly over the pork neck and let it rest for a few hours, allowing all the flavors to soak in. Then I switch on my MIWE Cube Steam and select pulled pork from the gastro program. As you can see, the baking chamber light is flashing, which allows you to see from a distance that the oven is preheated and that the meat can be put in. The display now prompts us to insert our multi-point core temperature sensor into the meat, which measures the temperature at several different points. The program automatically starts once the door is closed. With the help of our gastro program and multi-point core temperature sensor, we have created the perfect pulled pork. After I'm finished using the oven, I can start the automatic MIWE cleaning control program. MIWE Cleaning Control is equipped with several different cleaning programs depending on how thoroughly the oven needs to be cleaned. So the next time I need the oven, it is already clean and ready to use. Maybe I'm going out on a limb here, but I'd bet that even your lead buyer could create a fantastic pulled pork dish like this one. Wow! As you can see, what we have here is an excellent fresh result that not only tastes amazing, but can also be prepared in large quantities. In addition to our pulled pork, we've also used the Cube Steam to bake our bread. Instead of flatbread or burger buns, you can also easily prepare traditional sourdough rolls as we have here. We have freshly baked bread, smoky barbecue sauce, and of course our homemade pulled pork. All topped off with a fresh salad. I think this is a great alternative to doner kebab for your snack business. For more information, please visit us at www.miwe.com or follow us on Instagram. Thank you.